Welcome everyone. In this video we're going to go over what is an Arduino. Arduino refers to a microcontroller board that you can program along with the language that you program it in. Now the board itself is a small little microchip on it, and you can program it to do a lot of things. The language that you program it in, Arduino, looks a lot like C++ or C if you're familiar with that, and it has a lot of potential to turn into some really cool projects. Arduino was initially invented in northern Italy. The main push to create Arduino was to help students learn electronics from day one instead of having to go through a lot of math classes or algebra, and to cut out all these different parts so students had somewhere they could just start and get right in elbows deep into electronics. Arduinos are very versatile, so you can create robots from them, you can create speakers with them, you can create gardening, automation stuff with them. This versatility comes from the design of an Arduino, so they have enough pins on it that you can get quite a lot of sensory input out and control quite a few motors or servos. So it allows the electronics to interact with the world in a multitude of ways. So you can have a shield that plugs on top of your Arduino and extends its capabilities. So there's shields that add screens to your Arduino, shields that add different sensors, shields that put on SD cards. Basically the possibility is endless. If you can dream it, Arduino has some sort of connection to it. There you have it. That's the basic of an Arduino, a microcontroller chip, little mini computer board that you can program. If you have any questions or comments, throw them in the comment section below. If you have a cool project, share it with us down there. If you like this video, go ahead and let me know. And if you want more, hit subscribe.